Unless we heal the illusion of separation and resolve its many conflicts and the vast array of armaments that threaten our existence, Gaia's evolution may continue without us. As we begin, though, to remember who we really are, we can restory what it means to be human and our innate heritage as microcosmic co-creators of a living, intelligent, and evolving universe. And we can restore our relationships with ourselves, each other, and with Gaia. We can build trust, the greatest test of which will be our willingness to disarm the madness of the weapons of war, of mutually assured destruction that hold us all hostage. And we can prove to ourselves and the whole world that we're worthy and ready to step into the potential destiny of our conscious evolution.